everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and today I am participating in a collaboration that is being hosted by a fabulous lady here on YouTube, and that's Heidi Sonboul over at HappilyThrivingHeidi, and it is the Spring DIY collaboration. And in this collaboration, what she asked us to do was create an item that we're going to use in our home for spring, and I need some new floral arrangements for spring, so that is what we are going to be creating today. I picked up these vases that you see here on clearance at Home Goods, and they were, if you can see, $5. And I am using some grass that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. We are using these orchids. I just love orchids, and I think they go well with spring and can easily transition into summer. We are using these purple tulips. You guys know I like muted colors, but for spring I figure a pop of color, you can't go wrong. So we are going to use these purple tulips and just some floral foam and these twigs. So if you want to see how my floral arrangements come out, keep watching. is how our flower arrangements turned out. I love them. I think they scream spring and Easter. And I think they look really elegant. Almost like a floral arrangement that you would pick up from Michael's that are outrageously priced. And even when they go on sale, they still cost $50 to $60. That's outrageous. So that's why, or one of the reasons why, I started creating my own floral arrangements, because I pick up flowers that are on sale from Michael's or Joann's, and I make my own floral arrangements. So I think these came out really well. I want to thank Heidi for hosting the Spring DIY collaboration. I hope you have enjoyed my video on putting together these floral arrangements. Everything is budget friendly. The vases I picked up on clearance from TJ Maxx. They were $5 a piece. The moss is from the Dollar Tree. The orchids I've used them in previous flower arrangements in the past. I picked those up from Joann's when they were on clearance. The little twigs I picked up in a bundle pack from TJ Maxx several years ago, and I just took a couple and spray painted them black, or actually painted them black with some chalk paint, and I snapped them in two so they wouldn't be too tall. And the little egg picks I picked up from the Goodwill. They were originally from the Dollar General for $1, and they were at Goodwill for 59 cents each. So that is not a bad price. You cannot beat that. And I think these arrangements look so, so good. And I apologize for the glare on the one. So we'll concentrate on these two. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you like what you saw and that you will consider sticking around and becoming a part of my YouTube family and joining me on my YouTube journey. I will leave a link to the playlist below for all the participants who participated in this challenge, as long as a link to Heidi's channel down below. So I think this is the perfect backdrop to my upcoming Easter tablescape. So make sure you are subscribed. You do not want to miss that video. And I have a lot of new content coming up that is around DIY Easter decor. So that is all I have for you today, guys. I hope you had an awesome day. And remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.